I'm gonna be upgrading my hard drive to SSD on this old computer, and I'm gonna test the hard drive if SSD actually makes a big difference on older computers. Before I'm gonna upgrade my hard drive to SSD, I'm gonna have to find my Windows 10 product key, because I'm gonna try to reuse the same Windows on my new hard drive. Since I don't have my product key, I'm gonna use a product key finder. You can go to this website. I'm gonna put a link in the description below. You can download this program. It's called Recover Lost CD Key for Windows. If you scroll down here, you can download product key for 64-bit operation system. Go to your downloads, extract all, and extract. And in this folder, you'll see this program. Double click on it, click run. Right here you can find all your product keys. So I'm gonna reuse my existing product key, but if you're using Windows 7 or XP, Vista or 8.1, you might want to purchase Windows key. So what you can do, you can go to ebay.com, type Windows 10 product key, and you can actually purchase one legit for $4. I already purchased multiple times and they work, they activate it just fine. Once you have your product key, or if you're gonna try to skip on your product key and you're gonna decide to reinstall OS first and then purchase one, you'll have to go to Google and type Media Creation Tool. Creation Tool 1809, that's the latest one. Open this first link, and on this page, go ahead, click on Download Tool Now. Click Save. Now open your Media Creation Tool 1809. Okay, on this page, click Accept. And on this page, you want to click Create Installation Media for another PC and click Next. Leave the default settings and click Next. Right here, click ISO file and click Next. And save your Windows 10 to your desktop. And now just wait until it's gonna download Windows 10 and verify. Once your Windows 10 download is complete, what you need to do, you need to download the software Rufus. I'm gonna put a link in the description below. I'm gonna download portable version. Then you'll need to insert your flash drive into your computer. Run this program. Okay. Right here, this is my flash drive. You have to have at least 8 gig flash drive. Right here, I'm gonna select the image. And right here, since I'm doing this on an older computer, I'm gonna leave it at MBR. And I'm gonna click Start. This warning right here, it's just telling you that your flash drive will be formatted and you will lose all your data. Once it's done, go ahead and click Close. This process took 17 minutes on my computer. Click Close. and eject your flash drive. First, I need to open the case. This is my regular hard drive. And this is my SSD. I don't have a mounting bracket, so I'm just gonna have to slide it like this. I'm gonna secure it later. Now I need to plug in my flash drive with Windows 10 into computer. And now on a startup, I need to boot into the boot menu. And I'm assuming on this system, since this is custom built, it's gonna be like F12. Right here, I'll click next. I'm gonna leave as default settings, but you can change the language and time and currency format and keyboard and input method. And then I'm gonna click install now. Right here, I'm gonna click on I don't have the product key. And right here, I'm gonna choose Windows 10 Pro. And then next. Accept terms and conditions. Right here, I'm gonna click on custom, install Windows Only Advanced, and right here, I'm gonna delete all the partitions. And then next. And that's it, it's installing Windows 10. This can take from 10 to 25 minutes. Okay, right here you can choose your country and click yes. Keyboard, I'm gonna leave it US layout. Skip another keyboard. And then I'm gonna skip for now. No here. Okay, Windows 10 is installed. It took a little over 10 minutes. I thought it's gonna take a little longer, but apparently it only took a little over 10 minutes. So I'm pretty impressed already. Well, let's test the hard drive right now. I'm gonna use exactly the same settings that I used on the regular hard drive, and I'm gonna compare the speed. Alright, so test is done. Looks like write speed is only twice as faster, but the read speed is at least 5 to 6 times faster than the regular hard drive. Yeah, so it's definitely worth if you have extra 40 bucks and you can spend, it's worth to upgrading your older PC to a solid state hard drive. And once again, thanks for watching my video.